Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 moving average on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to indicators. Click on it, and here at the search bar type moving average. And choose this one, moving average simple. Click on it 2 times. Now we have here 2 moving averages. Now we have to change it to the 20 and the 50. So let's choose the first one. Click on the gear icon, go to input and change length to 20. Okay, click on OK here and go to the second one. Click on the gear icon, go to input and change it to 50 for length. Click on OK. Now we have here the 50 and the 20. So I think you need to change the colors so you can differentiate between them. So I will change the 50, click on the gear icon, go to style, and we have here the color. Click on it. You can choose any color you want. I will choose, for example, green. We have here also the thickness of the moving average. You can also change it. So click on it like this. Now, after you finish, click on OK. Now, for the second one, click on it and click on the gear icon again. Go to style and you can choose another color, for example, red. I will change also the thickness to this one. Now just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.